Bismillah, first we start today, getting ready now to pray. Water clean and hands so slow, let's make wudu, here we go. Wash my hands 1, 2, 3, nice and clean for Allah see. Right and left both feel new, clean hands done, now wudu step 2. Rinse my mouth, swish swish sound, clean words here, clean words found. Nose go sniff then blow it out, feeling fresh no doubt about. Wash my face so soft and bright, forehead, cheeks, chin just right. Smile wide and feel so true, this is how we make a wudu. Wash my face so soft and bright, forehead, cheeks, chin just right. Smile wide and feel so true, this is how we make a wudu. Right arm first up to the elbow, water flows nice and slow. Left arm next, clean and new, arms are shining, wudu too. Wipe my head just once today, Allah loves it this way. Clean my ears inside and out, hear good things, no naughty shout. Wash my feet right then left, between the toes, don't forget. Step by step, clean and true, almost done with my wudu. Wash my face so soft and bright, forehead, cheeks, chin just right. Smile wide and feel so true, this is how we make a wudu. Wash my face so soft and bright, forehead, cheeks, chin just right. Smile wide and feel so true, this is how we make a wudu. Wudu done, I feel so bright, clean for prayer, clean inside. Allah loves when I am clean, ready to pray, Alhamdulillah, Ameen.
Before prayer, I make wudu. My clothes are clean. I stand on my prayer mat. I face the Qibla. I make intention in my heart. Takbeer. I raise my hands. I say,
Allahu Akbar.
Qiyam. I stand straight. I fold my hands. I recite Surah Al-Fatiha.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Ameen. Then I recite a short surah.
الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يعد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
Ruku. I bow down. My hands are on my knees. My back is straight. I say 3 times.
سبحان ربي العظيم. I stand straight. I say سمع الله لمن حمده. ربنا لك الحمد.
Sajdah. I go into sajdah. My forehead is on the ground. I say 3 times.
أنا ربي العلا.
Sitting. I sit calmly. I say Rabbi ighfirli. Second sajdah. I go into sajdah again. I say 3 times Subhana Rabbi. Rabbi. Al-A'la. Rak'ah, complete. One rak'ah is complete. If there is another rak'ah, I stand again and repeat the steps. Final sitting, Qaida. I sit calmly. I recite At-Tahiyyat, durood Ibrahim, full. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad. كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. I make dua. Salam. I turn my head to the right. I say,
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
I turn my head to the left. I say,
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Assalamu alaikum.
End. My namaz is complete. I feel calm. I feel happy. Alhamdulillah.